Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Srhythm. This is their NC25 Bluetooth active noise canceling headphones. You can pick them up on Amazon. At the time of this review, they've got a $15 off coupon, so you can get it for $45. So we're looking at the sub $50 range of ANC Bluetooth over-the-ear headphones, and we're going to dig into these and see how they stack up. So let's get the NC25s unboxed. First, we'll show you the specifications that are listed on the back. They do have a speaker driver of 40 millimeters. Sensitivity, impedance, and frequency range are all listed there as well. Active cancellation from 18 to 23 decibels. It does run on Bluetooth version 4.1, so it's an older version of Bluetooth, but I did not have any connection issues during my testing. It does have a built-in rechargeable battery of 360 milliamps, and you can get up to 16 hours of playback time on a full charge. That is, of course, depending on volume and if you're using the active noise cancellation. Now inside, we've got a nice shell, hard shell or soft shell or whatever you want to call it, carrying case here, and it actually is pretty nice. It doesn't really have any logos to it, so they've kept that pretty minimalistic. Now if we take out the headset itself, I'm going to set that to the side for now. You get an accessories bag here that's got a charging cable and a few other accessories along with it, and we will be taking a look at those in just a second. I'll set that to the side and get these booklets out so that you can see what they have, and we'll set this case to the side. If you take a look, one of them is going to be your user manual, obviously, and you have this in many different languages. So if English is not your first language, do not worry, they have it in other languages as well. Now, if you want to follow Srhythm on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter, you can do so. There is also a 3-month warranty on these, so hold on to your paperwork just so that you have those. Now if we get into this little accessories bag here, I can show you exactly what that we use for charging. They do also offer a gold-plated 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. In case you run out of power and want to use these wired, you can certainly do that. With a lot of the newer phones dropping the headphone jack, though, it's going to be less and less that you're going to need those. Now, you do have a micro USB to USB standard cable for charging that 360 milliamp battery, and you can use that via any USB port on your PC for slower charging, or for faster charging you can use what came with your phone or your tablet or just anything like this that is an AC to USB adapter. They also give you a gold-plated airphone or airplane adapter so that you can use that on an airplane. If you're a frequent traveler, you'll enjoy that. So let's look at the build quality on these, and they've got a rubberized matte texture on them, which I like, and they're super lightweight. These are one of the most lightweight over-the-ear headsets that I've tested, which is awesome. It doesn't really give you a lot of fatigue if you wear these for a long period of time. Now the ear cups on these are over the ear, and they are very comfortable. They've kind of got that memory foam to them like you see on a lot of these. They've got a lot of swivel to them as well to fit different head styles, which I like as well. Now what I really like to check on this are the break points, which are where they pull out, and they do reinforce these with metal, so that's awesome. That's definitely a plus in my book. Got some good padding for your head up top as well. So overall, very nice construction, very lightweight construction, which is really good. So if that's something for you or that you're looking for, then these definitely tick that box. On the right-hand side, you've got your 3.5 millimeter in, your microphone, and your charge port. And on the top, you're going to have your buttons with an LED in the middle. You're going to have your power on and off. Of course, that's a pause and play and answer phone call button, your dedicated ANC button, which you can turn on without even having it connected to anything. So if you just want these for the ANC and you're not really listening to any music, you can still get the benefit of the ANC just by turning them on. Now the ANC on this is pretty decent for the price. I was pretty surprised. It does block out any background fan noise or traffic noise outside or anything like that. So it does kind of put you in an immersive position here with the ANC. So pretty happy happy with that. Now, when you pair these up, it's pretty simple. Just hold down the power button for about 4 or 5 seconds. It'll start blinking blue and red. And when it does, this is now in pairing mode. Super simple to pair up on your Android or your iPhone or whatever you're going to pair this on. Just go to Bluetooth and you'll see it pop up in the list, NC25. And just click on it and you do your pairing. Now, even for Bluetooth 4.1, that's pretty fast pairing. Connector for calls and audio, so all set up there, no problem whatsoever. Let me give you a quick mic test on these before my final thoughts, and I can show you guys what the mic quality sounds like. So this is a test of the Srhythm NC25 microphone. This will give you an idea of what you'll sound like in a voice call with these. I hope that this gives you a good idea of the microphone quality of the Srhythm NC25 microphone. Okay, so that was my quick microphone test, and as you can hear, they're not bad at all for microphone quality as well. Sub $50 headset, super lightweight, so you don't get that head fatigue from wearing them for too long. You get 12 to 16 hours of battery life on these. They have active noise cancellation that's built in that works relatively well for the price point. And the sound quality, the general sound quality, which I forgot to touch on earlier in the video, is solid. There's some bass to it, an overall rich sound to it. Nothing mind-blowing, but certainly enjoyable. $45 price point definitely ticks all the boxes from Srhythm. The NC25s are definitely a thumbs up from me. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. Remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.